Hello. So this is MD Jewelhack. I am going to show you some AI stuff. So two programs I'll be showing here. One will be detecting the sentiment of your commands. Like if you write something, take it as a sentence you have written, and like how you have written, like negative commands or positive commands, that will be detected. And another one I'll be writing or uploading a picture, and from that picture it will detect the object of that picture, like whether it is some cat or dog or some person is there in a picture. So that will be detecting by the AI coding. So let me show you. I'll in details I'll explain everything in my blog. So this is just to show the how we can do that. So let me write a code over here. So here you can see that I have created one env. That is nothing but the virtual environment for Python. So let me start with the sentiment one. So here I'm going to create one file. Let give a name like sent.py. Okay, and I'll be start writing. So let me start the writing of this thing. So like I'm going to use some like Python libraries from transforms. Import. I'm going to import the transfer pipeline. Okay, so now I'm going to use some predefined model, AI model. So let me give a name of that model like sentiment, something like that. Sentiment pipelines equal to sentiment analysis. Okay, so now so this is the model name. So I am calling this model from the transforms. And now I'm going to write some text over here. Give a text like, let me start with the positive one. So this is the positive kind of like commands, right? I love using transforms for NLP tasks, right? As I am using the NLP, neural network. So that's why here I am going to write the same kind of sentence. Like you can write whatever you want, you can write over here. So now let me use that particular model. This model we are stored into this variable, right? Sentiment pipeline. So now let give something like that. Result equal to sentiment text, right? So now print the result. Okay. So we are done with the program, right? This is a simple model I have called, and then I have written some text and I'm going to run the code. Okay. So before that, you have to, for this code, you have to install some Python libraries. Let me show you the library. Pip install transforms and PyTorch. Okay, so I have already installed this, so I'm not going to install. So this is the command pip install transform torch. So I'll be in my blog, I'll be explaining everything. So and another thing, like let me run this code and then let me show you the output. So for writing this code, you can use Python test or what is the given name saying .py. So I'm running this. Okay, so I think I did not save it. So save it first and then start running. So let me see the output. Let us see the output, like what this is the positive command or negative command, and it will be showing. Just wait for some time, it will give an output and then we can see. So it will be detecting your sentiment. Okay, so this is a simple one, small code, AI code. So by using this, we can detect the sentiment of any text or any sentence or anything. So let us wait for some time and then we'll see the result. Okay. So it started running the code. Okay. So level positive, right? It's showing the positive. And it's also given the score, right? What is the score? Like 99.8, 0.99, something given, right? So this is a positive comment, right? I love using the transforms for NLP tasks. So if I don't love. So now let's run the command and see, run the code and see. So it should be giving us a negative comment, right? Let us wait for some time. It started running. This is the negative, right? So like this, you can detect the sentiment of your text or sentence by using this sentiment analysis model. This is a predefined model. If you want, you can customize your model and then retrain the model. Okay. So now this is one thing. Now let me write another one. So which will be like giving you detect the object, from a picture. So like, let me give a name like detect. Okay. So now from, so now we are going to use the ultra lytics, okay, that Python library. And from there, we are calling the YOLO. So now here, we are using the model. So some model we are going to use, right? So let me take it as a YOLO equal to, okay. So we are calling this is the nano model. So we are calling this nano one. Actually, my system will not support the bigger model. Like there's some kind of model we can use for nano one, then medium one, larger one. Okay, so I'm calling the nano one. So now the thing is that here the deep learning has been used for this. So I'll be explaining all the thing in my blog. What are the AI types is used here, and like previous code saint.py, whatever I've written, sentimental detection. So that is the NLP has been used, and here I'm going to use the deep learning. So deep learning is a part of AI, So now let me do something over here and give you the no need to, we can do something. I'm not going to follow this one. So like let me do one thing. Let me write it by my own. uh, so results equal to, we can call hello, that variable, right? Hello. So now here we can call the things, that particular what is that, that particular image name, I'll show you. I'll bring some image over here and then I'll give the path of that image and let it predict. So now I'll give a run a loop over here, like for loop I am using here. So now give a result dot show. Okay. Okay, display the result. So now this model I have called. Now I'll pass here the image to detect that particular image and analyze that what are the like objects are there in the image, and then it will display the result. Okay, so now let me go to my here. Here some images I have. So I'll copy this thing into my AI folder and I'll paste here. So let us see the image. So here you can see, right, dog is there, right? So this code should be detect the image as a dog, right? It will be marking, labeling that image, and it will right there, it's a dog. Okay, so now here there is a dog and there is a person, right? Don't be take it as a like child or man or like what is that, whatever, woman or girl. So it will be taken as a person. So person, so now let me go detect, and then just I'm going to copy this one, this particular image name. Okay, so now I'm going to detect.py and then just I'll be pasting the image name over here, and then we'll run this, right? So just clear screen and then start running button. Okay, before that also you have to install this, like ultralytics, right? This particular Python library. So for installing, you can use this way, this thing pp install and then the particular library name. Okay, so this need to be there, otherwise it's not going to work. So now let me run this thing. Okay, so it might take some time, like 1 to 2 minutes, then you'll see the output. So this image I have given, right? So it should detect as a dog. It's running. Actually there we are using the Hugging Face model. So like it's a given as a dog, right? It's labeling the particular dog and it's given as a dog, and also it's showing the score, right? Okay, so now let me give this image where two objects are there. One is person, one is dog. So let's see how the output look like for this. So let me save this and then let me run this thing. Okay, so it will also start detecting, and then it will show you the output. Look, it's detecting us a little bit wrong, but this is the person and this is the not, it's not a cat, it's a dog, but still. Okay, so let me run this thing again, or let me run now this one, this image. So I have copied this image name over here, or let me copy this. Let me copy this image. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this image, particular second image. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. Let's see, it should detect dog and what is that? What is there in the image? Dog and person. So as I said that it's not going to detect whether it's a child, a man or woman, whatever. It's just going to detect as a person. So now, okay. So like this way, you can detect your image, and then you can detect the object from the image, you know so you can detect any object from the image. So this way you can detect the object from image, like. Okay, so I'll be explaining everything into the my blog, so just read the blog and see the video, so you'll be understanding it better way. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye, see you.